This week Parashat Shelach. This week Parashat talks about finally Hal Israel. They come from Mitzrayim, Egypt, and they gonna go and capture Israel, to go to Israel. They sent 12 miragelim, 12 spies to spy the land, what is going on, what type of land it is. It's interesting that they come and they say that we saw giants there. They are very strong people, very strong people. And naturally, we cannot fight. Naturally, we cannot get them. And that was the report that they gave. It's very interesting that from the conception of land of Israel, the Hal Israel, they had to capture giants to get to Israel. It's very interesting. From the first time that Hal Israel, they have to go to Israel, they have to fight the giant. It's an unbelievable point. The Torah is telling us to get Israel, you have to overcome giants. And you have to fight with them. Now, physically and naturally sounds impossible, but you have to make yourself powerful. If you are a powerful person, if you have power, then you could fight and you could get the land. If not, not. Because this land is a very special land. It's not a land that's the outcome of the naturality. It's not the land to capture it through natural power. It's the land of Kedusha. It's the land of faith. Emet tismach meharetz. The truth, the faith grows on this land. It's a very special land. Therefore, you have to understand, if you want to come to this land, you have to be powerful. And how are you powerful? With the faith to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Understand that military, my muscle, my mind, my plan doesn't work. What works against the giant? Nothing. Only faith. Because whoever likes to dwell on this land, the first ingredient is faith. The last ingredient is faith. We need faith. And we need to be powerful. Now, how are we going to have the faith and empowering ourselves? The Torah tells us. The Torah tells us the secret of power. How do we get power? Where? How? Unbelievable psychology in Torah. Torah gives us the depth of the psychology of the power of a man, power of a person, powerful, being powerful, not a little bit, being powerful that you could fight and overcome giants. Torah tells us when they gave the report, Perek Yud Gimel, Pasuk Lamed Gimel. Torah tells us, V'sham Ra'aynu et Nephilim. We saw giants there. Bnei Anak ben Nephilim. V'nehi be'enenu kechakavim, v'chen hayu be'enehem. And we were in our eyes like a grasshopper. V'nehi be'enenu kechakavim. They saw, oh, look, there are grasshoppers on the land. They look like human beings. We were in their eyes like a grasshopper. V'chen hayinu be'enehem. And also we were like that in their eyes. Unbelievable pasuk, unbelievable point. Torah tells us, we thought of ourselves like a grasshopper in front of them. And once we felt like that, they looked us like a grasshopper also. What you built in yourself, what you make in yourself, that's the image that you're going to give to other people. That's the way that other people perceive you and think about you. If you feel you're a grasshopper, they're going to think you're a grasshopper, and they're going to crush you. They're going to destroy you. In the world, a person has to empower himself. A person has to believe in own kochot, in own power. To overcome, we need faith. The faith is the only solution. To become powerful through faith, you have to believe in yourself. You have to know your inner power. that inner power that connects you to God, to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that you have to be aware of it. If you are aware of that inner power of yourself, you believe in yourself, then you are a powerful man. Then you have a real faith. Once you have real faith, you could fight. Not only small and minute things, even the giants and obstacles of life, you could fight and you could overcome and be zochet to be in Eretz Israel.